In today's video, I am sharing 6 legit apps and websites that people around the world are using right now to earn some extra cash. Whether you are a student, stay-at-home parent, or just looking for side income, these apps are easy to use, free to join, and most importantly, they pay. The first app in our list is Prime Opinion. Prime Opinion is a survey-based platform where you get paid for sharing your thoughts and opinions on different topics. What sets it apart from many other survey sites is how fast and reliable the payouts are. Here is how it works. You sign up for free with just your email, complete your profile so the system matches you with the right surveys. Then you will start receiving surveys about products, services, or even everyday habits. The average survey takes 15 to 20 minutes, and you earn anywhere from $1 to $5 per survey, depending on the length and topic. That may sound small, but it adds up really quickly, especially if you are consistent. Next, we have Branded Surveys. Branded Surveys is one of the most popular and reliable platforms for earning money through surveys. What makes Branded Surveys stand out is its reputation. It's been around for years and millions of users trust it because the payouts are consistent and the surveys are legit. Here is how it works. Once you sign up, you will complete a quick profile so the system matches you with surveys you actually qualify for. Each survey you take earns you points, usually anywhere from 50 to 300 points, depending on length and complexity. Now 1000 points equals $1, so most surveys pay between 50 cents to $3. The great part, Branded Survey has a loyalty program. The more surveys you complete, the higher your level, which gives you bonus points on top of your regular earnings. So the more consistent you are, the more you make. When it comes to payouts, you can cash out once you hit $5. Payments are available through PayPal, direct bank deposit, or gift cards to popular retailers like Amazon, Walmart, and Target. Next in the list, we have EarnLab. Unlike regular survey-only sites, EarnLab gives you multiple ways to earn money, which makes it more flexible and faster to build up your balance. Here is how it works. You can earn by completing surveys, watching ads, downloading apps, and even playing games. For example, a quick survey might earn you 50 cents to $2, while installing a free app or trying a game can sometimes pay even more. One of the biggest advantages of EarnLab is its low payout threshold. You can cash out as soon as you hit just $2, which means you don't have to wait weeks to see your rewards. Payments are available through PayPal, cryptocurrency, and gift cards, giving you flexibility depending on how you like to be paid. To maximize your earnings, here are 2 quick tips. Mix your activities. Don't rely only on surveys. Try the app installs and games too. Log in daily. EarnLab often posts new offers every day, and the early ones usually pay more. Next, we have Opinion Outpost. Opinion Outpost is one of the most well-known survey platforms in the industry. It's been around for years and is trusted because of its fast payouts and straightforward setup. Here is how it works. You sign up for free, complete your profile, and Opinion Outpost will start matching you with surveys. Most surveys take about 10 to 20 minutes and typically pay between $1 and $5, depending on the topic. Unlike some other sites, Opinion Outpost has a testing system. You will sometimes get short pre-screening questions before a survey to make sure you qualify. One of the biggest benefits of Opinion Outpost is how fast you can get paid. The minimum cash out is only $5 if you choose PayPal or Amazon gift cards. Next, we have CashKick. CashKick is a fast-growing money-making platform that pays you real cash for completing simple online activities, from surveys and watching videos to downloading apps and testing games. Every task you do adds money directly to your account. Here is how it works. Once you sign up for free, you will see a dashboard filled with offers and tasks. Each one shows how much you will earn, so you can pick the ones that give you the best payout. Surveys are short and easy, while offers like trying out apps or games can pay you even more. Once you reach just $10, you can cash out directly to PayPal, no waiting forever to get your money. Here is the pro tip. Focus on the high-paying game trials. Many users earn $20 to $50 just from testing apps. Complete your profile to get matched with better surveys. Always check the featured offers section since those usually pay the highest. And remember, the more consistently you log in, the faster you will hit payouts.